This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods to your Android phone. So this is very easy. Just swipe down from the top right and go to settings. Then locate the Bluetooth options. So let's go to connected devices, Bluetooth pairing. And under here we can go to pair a new device. Now go to your AirPods and just simply open up the case. Flip it around. And then hold down the little syncing and pairing button on the back. And you can see this light in here will start blinking quick. And my AirPods should be displayed on here. We can tap it, then go to pair. And now they should be connected to my phone. So you can see they're connected right here. Timothy's JLab, okay, we gotta go to see all. And you can see my AirPods on here on the top. And we can go to settings and we can forget them too if we want to remove them from our phone. So very easy to connect. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.